This video is pretty good. I did get lucky and find some silvers and some cool spills, but I didn't record very many of the finds. I'm just trying to try on a different phone, see if I can get a good video out on this one. And let's see if it works out, and if it does, I'll see you on the first hole. Just popped out something that's really cool down in here, about 4 or 5 inches, I guess. Yeah. That's it. Looks like this is gonna be a practice round. I can get the date off of it. There it is. WCC 63. It's a military practice round. Pretty cool. I know I'm not really smart. I'm out here detecting in the rain. But you see what I got in the hole? Dirt just fell off this side of it. I'll get it. Haven't touched it yet. Look at that. In 1919. So 101 years old. Alright, my phone's getting wet, my tether's getting wet. I got it all bagged up so it don't get rained on. I just had to get out here for a little bit. 1919 Mercury Dime. Cool deal. Really happy with this one. See if I can find some more before the bottom falls out all the way. So my little quick hunt today turned up a lot of trash. But I did get some cool things. Like the horse ring. Whatever that cool thing right there is. Not really sure. I got this neat little thing. It's got writing all around it. I think it does have a patent, like a patent date. But I have to look at it more. Got a horseshoe. Still got the nails in it. I thought that was pretty cool. Got the practice bullet. Camera died on it. I got one little neat, whatever that thing is. Got the same little design on both sides. My modern pennies. 1 quarter. 2 dimes. There's my wheat pennies. I didn't record none because my phone died, but it was really cool. I found the first hole I dug had 2. It was a 1950 something and a 1920. And then the very next hole had 2 1945s. And then the next hole had a 1955. But I did come out today with 1 silver. Made my day. 1919. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make a video out of all this. It's not really, I didn't record very many of the finds, but I want to see if this even gonna work. So wish me luck on that, and thanks for watching.